Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on OMOTON Wireless Keyboard, easy pairing instructions. Specifications. Package contents. Functions. Functional description. iOS edition functions. Edition functions. System requirements. Instruction. Pairing instruction for iPad. Pairing instruction for Samsung tablet. How to use power saving mode. Features. Troubleshooting. FAQs. What devices is the OMOTON Wireless Keyboard compatible with? Does it work for iPad Air 1st Gen? If so, how? How do I pair the OMOTON Wireless Keyboard with my Samsung tablet? How do I activate the OMOTON Wireless Keyboard after it has been idle for 10 minutes? How do I pair the OMOTON Wireless Keyboard with my iPad?
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.